The hip thrust is an exercise for training the glutes and hamstrings muscles in the back of your legs. For this exercise, you will need a sturdy bench. Begin seated on the floor on one side of the bench with your knees bent and feet on the floor a little bit wider than hip width apart from each other. Lean back against the bench so that the edge of the bench is just below your shoulder blades. Press your heels into the floor and lift your hips up to come into the starting position. Keep your abdominals engaged and your back straight throughout the exercise. To begin, engage your glutes by squeezing your butt and press your heels into the ground to lift your hips up and then return back to the starting position with your hips bent and hovering above the floor. One time lifting your hips up and back down to the starting position is 1 repetition. Continue for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program. Try this exercise out and let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.